Hi, my name is Sithaya Bawon. Today I would like to share you the meanings of square bracket. Okay, I think that you might have a question when you try to install some packet and the packet contain the square bracket. Okay, and you don't know what it is. First of all, before I will explain what it is, I will show you how to install. Okay, in case that you see something like this, you might copy this and place to your terminal and enter. Okay, you might see the error like this. Okay, it say that it no match file or it don't found this packet. Okay, it doesn't found this packet. Because first one, I recommend you to change PAP to PAP 3 in order to focus on Python 3. Okay, and then in order to install the packet that contain the square bracket, you have to cover in some situation you have to cover this with double quote. Okay, and try again, and now you will see that you can install it. Okay, that is the way to install the packet that contain the square bracket syntax. Okay, now what is it? Square bracket is just a way to add more argument or add more information to allow the developer of this packet to know what you want from this installation. Sometimes you don't have to simplify this. Okay, I will show you. You can just copy this and enter. Okay, and you will see it's work. It's no problem. But if you want to tell the installer, the software installer, okay, that you need something specific, okay, like you have to tell that it is about the bcrypt. Okay, you can copy this in this square, but how do you know what you have to put in this? I think that you really don't know what you have to put. It depends on the document. When you see some document and document say that in this install you choose install with this packet. So it means that okay, you're gonna install this packet with extra option. It's about the bcrypt. Mostly or normally, this is the dependency of this library. Okay, so when you see this again in the future, I hope that you will you will understand what it is now. Okay, it's just the option, it's just an argument. And before I will leave, okay, I will show you something. Let me open the VS Code, and in my VS Code I will show you the PAP file. This is a file that created by the virtual environment, and I installed the library as I told you previously, okay, with the extra or option. And you will see after install it show you that you actually install this packet. Okay, this packet, not the packet with square bracket. Okay, but in storing this packet, it have to know that you needs you specify extra information like a bcrypt in this. Okay, so it's just a node. Okay, it's just an argument, so you don't have to worry about it much. But if you cannot install it, don't forget to cover it with double quote. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry for my English. It's not much well, but I already try my best. Bye bye.